Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Now how you can fix that? So it's really easy. First of all, you have to just go to your TikTok, and if you see here that your account is suspended, make sure you take that screenshot, right? So once you have taken your screenshot, you will go to the profile section and click on the top right side corner and go to the settings and privacy, and basically scroll down the bottom and click on report a problem. If you don't have access to your TikTok account, or basically if you're not able to find this option of report a problem, just go to Google Chrome or any of the browser here and just go to Google and search for TikTok help, or you can just write here support and just hit the enter. Now here you will get this first link, right? TikTok support. Click on report a problem, and here you will be, right? So you have to select a topic. For example, this is regarding my account ban and suspension. Now here it says that we understand that you think your account might have been suspended. Update your app to the latest version. So we have to update, but still it's not getting fixed, right? And it says tap on profile at the bottom. So we have to just go to TikTok and basically have to go to the report a problem, which I've shown you earlier. Now here you have to go to the account and profile here, and here you will find not a single option to get your account back, right? So you have to just click on account recovery, right? And just wait for a few seconds here and click on login. So once you're here, just wait for a few seconds till it load, and here you will get this option of suspended account. Click on it, right? And here it says tap to check if you have account suspended or not. So just click on it. So here it says that my account is active. In your case, if it says that your account is suspended, it will ask you to submit your feedback, right? So there you can just write the description, everything that explain your problem and why your account got suspended. And the screenshot which I advise you take here in the starting of the video, make sure you attach the screenshot and just submit it. And in in the next 24 hours you will get contacted through your email address which you have used while making your account, and then it will fix your problem. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.